This project takes a modern approach to the Color by Numbers books. For this challenge, we'll need our Doodle by Numbers challenge card, 18 strands of filament, and our 3D pen. Looking at the back of the stencil, you'll see 5 numbers next to 5 patterns listed at the top of the stencil. To start, line up the colors you've picked for each number and pattern. Since we're doodling a pineapple, we've chosen green for 1, blue for 2, yellow for 3, orange for 4, and white for 5. Start by tracing and filling in all the patterns for number 1 using green. Take your time here. We chose a simple back and forth doodling approach, but if you want to experiment with texture, you can. If you're using your Start Plus pen, we found it easiest to doodle directly on the stencil. Next, change to your number 2 color and fill in all of your number 2 patterned areas. As noted, we used blue for our pattern. Our technique is to doodle the outline of the area and then fill it in using a back and forth motion until you cover the entire area with plastic. Next, switch to your number 3 color and fill in all of the number 3 patterned areas. We suggest using a bright color here, like yellow, in this section. Note that you'll want to go ahead and outline all of the number 4 sections with the number 3 color. You'll go back in and fill in those sections with a darker color next. For the number 4 section, we used a slightly darker color to help add depth and dimension. We're using orange. Lastly, it's time to create your back border for the canvas. For number 5, you can use any color as it's the background. We went with white. Slowly and carefully work square by square or row by row, applying filament to the number 5 pattern squares until your masterpiece is complete. The final step is to peel your creation off the challenge card and display it for everyone to see. Thanks for watching our Doodle by Numbers and Patterns Maker Challenge tutorial. Be sure to share your creation with us and check out our other tutorials on our YouTube channel.